Hello friends, try this recipe. This is a very quick and easy recipe, not much spices, perfect. The zucchini tastes so perfectly cooked, and onions and tomatoes little caramelized, so you will have the sweet taste, and the sambar powder 1 teaspoon will give it nice flavor, and it can be served with chapatis like this. Hello, welcome to Mehta's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today I am going to cook zucchini, the squash. It's a very simple dish for chapatis. So I am just preparing it for my dinner. So I am not cooking too much. I am taking 1.5 of zucchini, 1 tomato, 2 chilies, and an onion chopped. And let's start cooking. Starting with finely chopping the onions. I'm not going to use the whole onion. I decided to use only half of the onion because I have a little bit of sabji I'm making. I already started the pan on the stove. So once I am chopping, I am going to transfer everything onto the pan. That's what I'm going to do. So it's a quick, very quick 5-minute sabji for chapati or roti, or you can put it. This is an Indian sabji. Some good quality olive oil, 3 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. Into that I'm adding these onions. Now you know the rules. Whenever you add onions, it's easy. Add little bit of salt. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon. Just give it a quick stir and let it saute while I am chopping the other ingredients here. Putting 2 green chilies here. Next thing I am going to add is tomatoes. I don't like that middle portion of the tomato, it won't cook. This I want to be like a gravy, so I'm taking that out. This is 1 big tomato because chapati needs something juicy kind of curry to soak it up, so that's why all these vegetables has some kind of water content in it, so it will be the perfect dish for chapati. You can add a sprig of curry leaves, but I am in a rush today. I have to go to my garden and pick it up. Avoiding that today because not everybody has always curry leaves. Adding the tomatoes in it. You can cut it in any way. I feel like lengthwise today. Okay, zucchini is almost chopped, equal sizes, and it needs to cook a little more. I am going to cover it and cook it before I add the zucchini. Into that now I am adding half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and let it saute for a minute. A little bit of hing and The main ingredient I am adding, the secret, it's sambar powder. 1 teaspoon sambar powder. Uh, 1.5 actually. Any kind is fine. Any kind of sambar powder. Already it smells so good. Now into that I'm adding the zucchinis. Zucchini has a lot of liquid, so it will release all the water, so we will have perfect gravy for the curry. You don't have to add any water into this. Everything will cook together once you saute all the spices with the zucchini. We will stir it one more time after 2-3 minutes, but now it looks good. I added only 1/4 teaspoon salt, another 1/4 teaspoon salt, so the total half teaspoon. Now let me cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. I'm reducing the heat a little bit so it won't stick to the bottom till it oozes out all the liquid. And let's come back to this after 5 minutes. And I have told you there is enough water in these tomatoes and zucchinis, so you don't have to add any water. And this is perfectly done. And I'm going to switch off the stove now. And my easy zucchini sabji is ready. Hello friends, try this recipe. This is a very quick and easy recipe, not much spices, perfect. The zucchini tastes so perfectly cooked, and onions and tomatoes little caramelized, so you will have the sweet taste. And the sambar powder 1 teaspoon will give it nice flavor, and it can be served with chapatis like this. Perfect combo for chapati, and this is equally good for idlis as well. In fact, I am going to eat it with idli today because it has the sambar, light sambar flavor. It will go very well with idlis also. Friends, you can have it like this, you can have it with rice. This is a very easy recipe. If you have some zucchini in your garden, try this. And if you like this recipe, please comment. Thank you friends, enjoy this easy zucchini recipe the way you like it. Enjoy with anything. Hello friends, enjoy this recipe. If you have any comments, please write it below. Thank you for watching my video. We will meet again in Meda's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Till then, bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.